Hot asphalt, cold asphalt and poor asphalt. What and when is the best to use? The answer is in our video. Repairs with hot asphalt are most often carried out in the period from late spring to early autumn, since the minimum air temperature for using hot asphalt must be at least plus 5 degrees Celsius. However, if you maintain the desired temperature of the mixture, preheat the pit, take into account the climatic conditions, the depth and percentage of soil freezing, then patching can be done with hot asphalt in the winter. In terms of initial characteristics, hot mixes are superior to cold mixes in terms of strength, but cold asphalt also has its advantages. Cold asphalt repair can be carried out at temperatures down to minus 25 degrees Celsius, which makes it possible to use cold mixes for patching in winter without any problems. Another benefit of cold mix asphalt is its lower cost when compared to hot mix and cast mix asphalt. However, this type of asphalt concrete is less durable than its competitors. We already have a video about cold asphalt. Follow the link here or in the description. Pothole repair with poor asphalt is good because it can be done at any time of the year. Even in cold winters. In this case, the composition must be heated to 230 degrees Celsius. But not in this way. The advantages of cast asphalt concrete are due to its dense structure. High water resistance does not require additional sealing. It has high strength and durability, surpassing even hot mixes. However, there is a drawback: the high cost of the material.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.